Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. You see me I say, and this is one quick update when me hear say I go on right now. I'm bring it to you, my viewers. Hawkeye and Gunmen have a shootout in a Montego that are St. James. You see me I say near that are Jarrett and Barnet Street. You see me I say as reported. You see me? It was reported that it was a bearer they might try to protect because the bearer have about a couple millions on him. You see me? Again, these things what I say is not exactly confirmed because it is a breaking news. Alright? So observe.
38 that is a loan yet. Boom, you are touching it at 39, 50 the blood. 38, 39, 51, 52, my blood clot.
Yeah, as me I say, breaking news. The information not totally fully up. You get what me I say to you, but you don't know the skill. I go try to make sure so you get a grasp on what go on quick and fast. I'm gonna see what go on. So me I say, yeah. So this is a shootout. Gunmen, Hawkeye, you know, Montego St. James. So me I say, another sad story again. Alright. Anyways, you don't know the thing. Go if you need to know more what go on. If you're new to the channel, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla ENT. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?